So hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Actually this is the first video of my channel, so please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get regular reminder of my new videos. And I know this video will be very useful to you, so before you forget to like and subscribe to this video in the later part of the video, do it now. Please do it now. I know you'll like it. Okay, so now today we are going to use an AI to see how to develop software and how easy it is to develop software using AI. So what AI today we have is Cursor. You can download Cursor from Google. Okay, so let's just download Cursor. As you can see, I already have Cursor, so you have to click on Cursor download and click over here and download for your Windows. Once you have downloaded for Windows, you need to log in with your Gmail account. Once you have logged in with your Gmail account, you can use Cursor for your own work. So now what we are going to do is we'll be developing some simple software so that you get a rough idea how things work over here. Okay, so let's close this or minimize this, and as you can see, Cursor is already installed over here. So now actually I have a paid membership. Even if you don't buy a paid membership, you can give prompts. You'll have a small limit, but still you'll be able to use Cursor. Okay, so now let's open Cursor. I've executed it. It executes a bit slower than other applications. Okay, so first of all we have to choose a directory where we are going to ask it to write code. So for example, let's create a directory over here. Let's click on test directory. Okay, so I've created a directory called test. Okay, so now we are going to ask Cursor to write a code in the test directory. So now what we are going to do is we are going to open project, we are going to click on desktop, we are going to click on test, and now we are going to select the folder. Once this is done, the cursor has got the access of test directory. Now whatever you'll ask it to do, it will do it in the test directory. So now for example, what sort of software should we get it done by Cursor? So let's write in .NET framework. Let's choose C# as a programming language, or Python, or whatever you are comfortable with. Or even if you are not comfortable, and even if you don't have much knowledge about codes, it's not at all a problem. If you watch this complete video, you'll get to know how things work. We are going to ask it to how to develop the software. We are going to ask it to compile the software. We are going to use the software. We are going to debug it, and we are going to see everything how things work. Okay. So first of all, we'll ask it. Let's ask him write a C#. Actually, both are same. .NET framework. GUI paste tool to check login and password, which is hard coded inside the application itself. So we need to ask it to create a simple application, a very simple application. It will create which will have a hard-coded username and password inside the application. Okay, so let's see if it can do it or not. So as you can see, I've given the prompt. Now it will start. So creating a .NET Framework Windows Form login app and adding the project title. So as you can see, it has started to code things, and things are started over here. Okay, so basically it has started to create the CS file. Okay, so now when you open the test folder, now you will be able to see a login app. It has named the app as login app, and as you can see, it has started to create codes over here. And once the codes are completely ready, it will let you know that everything is ready. So right now solution file it has not created, but I believe it will do it very soon. Okay, so as you can see over here, it is doing everything whatever is needed. Okay, so next as you can see, okay, so it is adding credentials. Admin and password 123 is the credential to unlock the software. Okay, so now the project built successfully use admin and password 123 to test the login. Okay, so it has completed the build process of this program, and also it has compiled it. So the compiled file is usually over here, login app.exe. So it has compiled your project, and now you can run this exe file, and the username is admin. So now your software is ready. Basically this was just a simple example of how to get your code written by AI and how to compile your code basically very easily by AI. Even if it does not compile your code, you can easily use Visual Studio to build your code very easily. But things are now very simple these days. You can just ask it to compile the code. Okay, so now let's just hit admin and write password 123. Okay, password 123. Once this is done, click on login. Login success, welcome. And what if we entered random things over here? It will say invalid username password according to the logic, because this is the hard coded password admin and password 123. So I hope you enjoyed the video, because this was just a small demonstration, and in future we are going to test with lot of different things. Right now I'm preparing the environment for testing and creating videos, so you'll be able to learn a lot of good things if you stay over here. Otherwise, if you'll find more videos, and definitely you will get my videos among the ranking videos list, because I am going to do a lot of SEO also. So instead of finding me later, why not you subscribe to me right now, so that you don't have to do the struggle to find the quality content. Okay, so do it right now.